Planner Wednesday. This spread is from June 15th through the 21st. And I'm going back with my Dollar Tree stickers. I'm just loving all these that I'm finding. And these are the Crafter Square, really kind of girly ones with You Rock, Marvelous, You Rule, So Bright, You Shine. I just think these are so cute. And I'm going to be incorporating this paper that I've had for quite a while. I got it at Michael's in a hot buy. And so I think this is all going to work nicely with the girly theme. And then I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree washi. I just think it really kind of pulls in all the different colors. And then just a black Papermate pen, okay? So let's go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm glad that you all enjoyed the llama theme I did last week with Dollar Tree stickers. Okay, I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread. I think that will be really cute. And I want to be able to get one of these girls in my little sidebar. So that's of my planner. So I think that will be really nice. And Maggie is asleep beside my desk in my craft room in her little bed. She's all curled up and out like a light. And then I wanted to incorporate this in there as well. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it, but I think this is going to give us a really cute look. And since I already have girls over here, I'm going to put these over here like this, because I want to carry it over here. I think that's going to be so cute. I do like that. I think that's really pretty. I'm washing clothes. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not. Really do like that. It almost gives it a cartoon feel. Okay, I really like that. So let's go ahead and put our washi down. I think this is just going to give us a really cute little added flair to the spread. And I went a little crooked. I do like that. I think that's really cute. I haven't seen any new washi in my Dollar Tree lately. And I'm going to come right down through here. I'm putting up a Dollar Tree haul today. I have been finding so many new items at the Dollar Tree, and the two after this has got stuff I couldn't believe that I was able to find. It totally blew my mind. So if you haven't checked out the one I put up today, definitely check it out. And stay tuned for next week's, because whew, it's going to be good. Okay, I think that is so cute. I really do like that. Okay, let's get our stickers from the Dollar Tree. And these are puffy, but you can, you know, make them not puffy if that bothers you, but it really doesn't bother me. And I might look at putting this "You Rule" right here. I think that would be really cute. And then I might put "Marvelous" right down in here. I really like that. And then "So Bright." And then "You Rock," and it looks like the ring. I just love it. I might turn that one a little bit. And then a big gemstone or diamond right there. I'll put that one right there. And I love these little hearts. They are just so sweet. Let's see. Might put that there. And you don't have to use all of your little stickers if you don't want to. But I think I will put this one, "You Are a Gem," right here. I think that's cute. And I might put one more little one, and I'll save this one for later for something else. And I think I'll put it probably like maybe here, and just put it off to the side just a little bit. Now I'm just going to write down a very few things. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and we will take a look at this. I'm a little behind on my comments and I'm intending on getting caught up, but things have been just really crazy lately, so I've gotten a little bit behind. But I really think this is so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Okay. So this is how the spread turned out. I love these Dollar Tree stickers, and this paper I think goes quite nicely with it. And I love my washi from the Dollar Tree. And like I said, I put up a Dollar Tree haul today, so check that one out if you haven't already seen it. And I will see you on Friday for another 4th of July DIY from the Dollar Tree. I'm really excited about it. And I'm so glad that you all enjoyed the chargers that I did. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit your notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. And I would also appreciate it if you enjoyed this video, if you would give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. So until next time, bye guys.